Crowns for dental use are a typical dental procedure that is used to repair tooth decay or damaged. It is essentially caps that are placed on top of a tooth for the strength and security. Although dental crowns are made to last for a long time, however, it's important to properly take care of the crowns to make sure they last for as long as they can. In this short video, we'll discuss how to take care of the dental crowns you have to ensure their durability and ensure your smile looks amazing. 1. Maintain a healthy oral hygiene. One of the most crucial things to do in order to take care for the crowns on your teeth is to maintain a healthy oral hygiene. It is important to brush your teeth twice every day, flossing regularly as well as applying an antiseptic mouthwash. If you keep your mouth clean, it will prevent plaque accumulation and prevent problems like gum disease or tooth decay that could affect the life of your crowns. 2. Beware of foods that are hard to digest. Although dental crowns are made to last, however, they are still damaged by foods that are hard like ice, nuts, or hard candy. Beware of chewing hard things in order to avoid the damage of the crowns. Choose instead to choose softer food items that are less likely to cause injury to your teeth. 3. Use an oral guard. If you engage in any activity which could place the teeth in danger of harm, like playing contact sports and grinding them during the late at night, an appropriate mouthguard will safeguard your dental crowns. The mouthguard absorbs the force of a punch on the face or stop the teeth from grinding against one another, thus reducing the chance of injury to the crowns. 4. Schedule regular dental checkups. With proper maintenance, the dental crowns may be affected in time. In order to catch problems in the early stages and avoid further damage, it's important to plan regular checkups for your dentist. At these visits, the dentist will look over your crowns to detect signs of wear or damage and suggest any needed treatments to ensure your smile looks amazing. 5. Beware of smoking cigarettes and limit your alcohol consumption. Alcohol consumption and smoking could have negative effects on the health of your mouth, which includes the condition of the crowns on your teeth. Smoking cigarettes can cause stains on your crowns and raise the chance of developing gum disease. Additionally, alcohol consumption can cause dry mouth and dehydration, which increases the likelihood for tooth decay. If you avoid smoking cigarettes and limit the amount of alcohol you drink, will help you maintain the condition of your dental crowns as well as overall health of your mouth. As a final point, proper the time to take care of your dental crowns is crucial to ensure they last for as long as feasible and to maintain your beautiful smile. Through practicing excellent oral hygiene, staying clear of food items that are hard to digest, wearing an oral guard, attending regular dental examinations and cleanings, as well as avoiding drinking alcohol and smoking cigarettes to ensure the durability of your dental crowns. If you are concerned regarding the condition of your crowns, make sure you consult your dentist for additional advice and suggestions.